Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel independent suspension, 8 speakers. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.